how to scan a QR code using your camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, so you will see, make sure turn on scan QR code. After turn on scan QR code and click on camera app. After click and hold phone and show QR code. After show QR code, you will see link is open, and after the process, go back to home screen and click on gallery app and click on scan and scroll down, open quick settings panel and click on scan QR code and click on picture. You will see, click on done, click on open link, so you will see. After scan a QR code using your camera, go back to home screen. So that's how you can scan a QR code using your camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.